My name's Alan Hart, and tonight we've been called out to a leaking boiler. So this is a boiler that we've actually installed, so it's an absolute top priority that we go out to this customer. So what I'm going to do is we've done a few recordings of what happened while we were there, so I'll show you them now. So Mackie's gone out to this install, and Mackie is the engineer that is on site.
So it's about 8 or 9 o'clock on a Friday. The customer's called to a leak in a boiler that we fit. It's a Ravenheat. It's all wet in the combustion chamber. Leaked through. We've now got water in the PCB on the display. Dripping out of the display, dripping everywhere.
So the outcome of it was the customer has done some DIY in the bathroom, and they've put a new waste pipe in, and they've put a joint directly above the flue, and that joint's been leaking. And what's happened is all the water has gone down the flue of the boiler, so the customer themself has damaged the boiler. So we're going to have a word with the manufacturers. We'll have a word with Ravenheat, and we'll ask them to see if there's anything that they can do to help the customer, because at the end of the day it's still our customer, and even though they've made the mistake, we're still going to do what we can to see if we can help them rectify the problem. But it just goes to show DIY, people doing DIY, it's not always a good thing, and this could cost them quite a lot of money. They may have to buy a new boiler because of it. But we'll see what happens on Monday when we can get hold of the manufacturers. Thanks for watching.